Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can display recent blog posts in your website. So let's go to dashboard, and after that let's edit one of the page. So this is demo page. Let me show you, and make sure that you have installed some plugins. One of the most useful plugin is Elementor plugin, and here you can see. After that you can also install this plugin, essential add-ons for Elementor. Now we can add two columns in one row, and after that just you can search for blog post. So these are various elements, and this element comes with Elements Kit plugin. So make sure that you have installed Elements Kit. That is the best and useful Elementor add-on. So let's drag this one, and after that here you can see various options. You can include recent posts. So this is the way to display recent post on your website. You can also use another widget, search for posts, and now you can customize columns and various other options. If you want to add recent blog post on the widgets or sidebar, how you can do that? Just go to appearance, then widgets, and after that here you can see recent post option. Just you can add anywhere. You can delete these from the sidebar, then you can add here recent posts. Now let's click, and you can add main sidebar, then add widget. After that you can select the number of posts that you want to display. After that you can add title, recent posts. Now you can drag it on the top, and after that don't forget to click on save button, then done. Let's update. So if you want to add that sidebar on this page, let me show you how you can do that. Now let's add a new section, and after that here you can search for sidebar, and drag it here. Now let's select main sidebar. Here you can see on the top these are recent posts. So these are all the possibilities to display recent posts in your WordPress website.